Hello, my lovelies. It's Susanna, and today I want to show you how to solve the $16,000 question from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. If my $100 stock increases by 300%, by what percentage would it then have to fall to get back to its original value? 66%, 75%, 150%, or 300%? Okay, let's start with this first sentence here. If my $100 stock increases by 300%. So we start with $100, and now we want to increase these $100 by 300%. And if we work with percentages, there are two little words. One is by, and the other one is to. So there is a difference if you want to increase something by 300% or increase something to 300%. So we have to be aware of this, that we have this little word by here. And we want to increase these $100 now by 300%, which means that we add 300% of these $100 now to these original $100. So let's add 300% of my $100, so I can just multiply this by $100. This is always the way if you want to calculate a percentage of a certain amount. You just multiply the percentage by the amount. Okay, let's calculate all of this then. We have the $100 here. And how can we now find this product here? First of all, we can write the 300% as a fraction. We just take the 300, and percent always means per 100. So divided by 100. And then we multiply this by the $100. So we still have the $100 here, and we're going to add, what do we have here? If we want to multiply, we are allowed to cancel. 100 and 100 is just gone. And then we only have $300 here. And if we add these two, we get $400 in total. So if we increase $100 by 300%, we end up having $400. Okay, so this was the first sentence. Now the question is, by what percentage would it then have to fall to get back to its original value? So now I have my $400, and now I want to get back to its original value, which was $100. So now I want to go back from the $400 to the $100. But the question was, by what percentage would it then have to fall to go back to its original value? So we have to take a look at percentages now. My $400 are now my new 100%, because this is my new starting value now. And now we have to go down to whatever percentage, we don't know yet, but what we're looking for here is by what percentage does it have to fall. So here, this change in percentages is what we're looking for our answer. So let's see what happens here. How can I get from $400 to $100? I can just divide this number by 4. So if I divide this by 4, I get down to $100. And now I can do the same thing on the other side. I just divide this by 4. 100% divided by 4 is equal to 25%. Are these 25% now our answer? Well, hopefully not, because it's not an answer here. But they were looking for buy-would percentage. So they're looking for this green change. From 100% down to 25%, it's a decrease of 75%, and this 75% was what they were looking for, and it is answer B. I'm curious how you solve this problem, so please let me know in the comments. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Take care!